What if you are somebody that is on a tight budget and you still want to have a good action camera that is somewhat reliable, give you good image quality, stabilization as well, of course, because that's really a thing that you really need to have, very affordable accessories as well. So let's check out both of those action cameras, the older action cameras that you can, I think, get for a really affordable price. Let's check out the GoPro Hero 7 Black first. And as you see, it is quite beat up. It is quite an older GoPro, but it still holds up in terms of the image quality that you can get. The colors that I'm getting out of this camera are really good. It really has a certain vibe to it, a certain feeling to it. And I've used it a lot for my motorcycle adventures, I would say. The audio quality is actually pretty good as well, but in overall, it just gives me the things that I need. The only thing that I don't like is that the GoPro Hero 7 Black, in terms of reliability, it's a little bit of a hit or miss. Sometimes the camera just freezes without no real cause or issue with it. In terms of reliability, I think the GoPro Hero 7 Black it is. Not sure about the other GoPros. I think those are also a little bit, I would say, unreliable. That's a GoPro thing, I think, because of the processor and stuff. You know, it's a little bit lagging. It's a little bit slow in terms of how you use it. But in overall, once it's recording, the stabilization, the image quality, it is really good. But if you can get this one for a very affordable price, I think you will be very happy with it, because there's also a lot of accessories out there for this GoPro version. Then we also, on the other end, we got the DJI Osmo Action 3, which is, to me, a better camera in terms of features, because you got the selfie screen. You can see yourself whilst you're recording yourself. And on the other end, the reliability in this case, it didn't freeze at all, just like with the GoPro. It just kept on going. The only thing here is with the Osmo Action 3 is that the image quality is slightly different than the GoPro. It really depends on what you really like. For me, I like the GoPro colors more direct out of camera compared to the DJI Osmo Action. But in overall, when you just use one, it already looks pretty good. In terms of reliability, the Osmo Action 3 is much better compared to the GoPro Hero 7 Black. But in overall, guys, the thing that I want to say here is that if you are on a tight budget, then both of these cameras will give you a lot of fun, will give you the things that you need. But if you want to have more reliability, go with DJI. You don't always need to buy the latest and greatest out there, the most shiniest one, because it really depends on what you need. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.